Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on function. It is an iGCSE maths question and also suitable for S-level mathematics and for 10th, even 11th grade algebra, and also for CXC mathematics in the West Indies. Now, we're given that f of x is equal to x squared minus x plus 1. I have to point out there are two, uh, for this slide, there are two questions for this slide. Now the first one is, given that f of x is equal to x squared minus x plus 1, we are supposed to evaluate and simplify this bit here. F of 2 plus h minus f of 2 all divided by 2 there. Okay, and here's the solution. Now, what you asked to do effectively is to replace x in the first section. In the first section is to replace x by 2 plus h, and for the second section, you replace x by 2. So what you've then got is 2 plus h all squared minus x and then plus 1 and then minus 2 squared minus 2 plus 1 and then divide all of that by h. So what we now got, when we open up a brackets, we end up with this bit here, because 2 plus h all squared will give us 2 squared plus 4h plus h squared minus 2 minus h plus 1. Do not forget that this minus sign, we change that plus sign to minus. Okay, right, and then minus 2 squared minus 2 plus 1. Now 2 squared is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we then end up with the next line as this one here, after simplification that is, that the 3's will cancel out. So now we end up with h squared plus 3h divided by h. Now note here that we have two terms and they've all got h as denominator. So in effect, what then happens is that you now divide h squared by h and divide 3h by h as well. And now you end up with h plus 3 divided by h, and that is the answer. Now, for the second question, we have that we're given that f of x is equal to s cubed, and we're asked to evaluate and simplify f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h there. Now, as before, we replace x by x plus h there. So if you got s cubed, that then becomes x plus h all cubed, as we go there. So you got x plus h all cubed minus x cubed, because f of x is s cubed anyway. Now, to expand x plus h all cubed, you need to be familiar with your Pascal triangle. Okay, so now when we expand that, we get s cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed minus x cubed. Okay. The s cubes cancel out, and now we're left with 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed. Now each of these terms have got h in them, so in effect we can divide each term by h. So we now end up with 3x squared, because 3x squared h divided by h, the h will cancel out, and then you got 3x h plus x plus h squared. Now, I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.